The tutors in Leave College are brilliant. They're always happy to give some of their time away out of college just to make sure you're on track with work.
For this level 3, it's getting me sure to do cut roofs, dormers, etc. So I find that in future life, this experience will help me move around.
When I'm out on site on my own, I definitely feel more confident just working on my own and doing different things and stuff like that, yeah. Well worth doing if you want to go into a career in carpentry, like 100%.
The facilities are very good. It's a lot of room, got different things to do every day. You work in and out. I was described the course, it's very enjoyable and it'll get you to the place you want to in the future.